Hi, this is Joe from BrightArrow. I want to do a quick video on how you can import your contact list from a spreadsheet. So once you've entered the My List page from the login screen, you can come to the Select Actions pull-down menu and come down to Create a List. And from here, you'll be asked to create a name. I will call this Contact List. And then you have Import Contacts as an option. Once you've got that, you can select that you want to import your contacts and then choose a file. You go out to your desktop, and I have a test contact list that I have set up. And that contact list, or that spreadsheet, doesn't have to be anything very elaborate. It can be a column for each of the items that you want to import. Now, in this case, I'll have a name, first name, a last name. I'll have space for multiple phone numbers, multiple email addresses, as well as some demographic information about the people you want to import. This will allow you at some point later to be able to create subset lists from those demographic information that you've imported. So let me just choose that and I'll show you what I've got. So once you've selected the file, hit Import Contacts, and now it'll bring up the imported files. And I happen to have named my columns first name, last name, but the system is smart enough to understand the difference between a first name, a last name, a phone number versus an email, of course. And it will also try to assign those imported values to a specific place in our contact list. Like for instance, this sees Joseph, so it's going to go to first name. But if for some reason it gets it wrong, you can always reassign those. But you'll see that I have a phone number here, one phone number. I had a space for two other phone numbers, but since there was nothing there, the system put not used. And the same is going to be true for the email addresses. Now, there are some other pieces of data here, like Maine 3, English, and 2, that really don't have any context to the system. So it doesn't know how to assign those. So what you should do is at this point, you can come here and you can create put them in a particular location. Now I'm going to put that Maine into building. I'm going to put that 3 into custom 2 and then custom 3 here. And once you're satisfied with where everything is going to go, then you can just say accept and proceed. And voila, you have created a list here in BrightArrow called Contact List, and it has this one contact in it, and you see everything got put exactly where you wanted it to be. So I hope that was helpful to you. You'll see that list is now in the contact list within my list. So if this is helpful to you or you have any other questions, you can reach out to gettechsupport@brightarrow.com. Otherwise, have a great day.